Would you stand up, please? The sentence I pass upon you is therefore one of life imprisonment with a minimum term of 10 years and 8 months.
This is a landmark moment in British legal history, as cameras are allowed back into courtrooms for the first time in a century.
In a term of 9 years and 63.
The sentencing of Ben Oliver at the Old Bailey is the first to be televised in a criminal court in England and Wales. In May, Oliver admitted to killing his bedbound 74-year-old grandfather in a knife attack. He was found guilty of manslaughter due to diminished responsibility and the abuse he endured from his grandfather. Many think it's important for these cases to be televised.
It's an exciting development because it will help the public to understand how and why criminals get the sentences that they do in these very high-profile cases.
But others aren't convinced.
Witnesses don't choose to be the victim of a crime, or indeed to be a witness to a crime, or somehow tangentially engaged in it. They just don't choose to be in the criminal justice system in that way, as generally speaking. So actually, I completely would expect that people would be put off if they thought that it was going to be even more public.
The infamous case of Dr. Crippen in 1910 paved the way for the banning of cameras in courts, when snatched photographs of the American doctor and his mistress in the dock appeared in the papers. Politicians and jurors at the time called for a ban on filming and photography in courts as a result, and ever since then, filming a hearing has been strictly prohibited. For the last 20 years, media lawyers from some of the UK's major broadcasters have campaigned for access inside the courts again.
Very significant day for justice. This has been a long time in coming. The broadcasters, ITN, BBC, Sky and PA have spent decades trying to film in the trial courts. Filming of the sentencing will be the first time filming in the Crown Court, and it's an important day for open justice. The public will be able to see within the trial court for the first time in television news and online. And it's important that justice is open, that justice is seen to be done, and that's important also for the rule of law and confidence in the system. So it's a good day for justice and for the media.
In the US, the public have been able to watch cases unfold live, such as the explosive case of O.J. Simpson, while in England and Wales, filming has been restricted to outside the courts. For now, there are no plans to expand the use of cameras beyond sentencings, but campaigners are hopeful that we will see full trials being filmed in the future.
I'll get that little piece of dandruff off.